it's small but big. Chair of Yangara Pastoral, who is also the Permanent Secretary of Agriculture, and Mr. Madhu Lume, and of course the management of Yangara Pastoral that are here today. I'd like to thank you for this check, of course, and this is obviously for dividend payment from the years 2013 to 2015. Yangara Pastoral plays a very pivotal role in respect of contributing towards our food security. As the chairman has highlighted, we still do have some import of beef and various other meat products into Fiji, and obviously there's a lot of potential for Yangara Pastoral. And there's an opportunity, of course, for Yangara Pastoral to be able to invest in this particular asset that's 100% owned by the Fijian government. I'd like to thank the board for their efforts and, of course, helping us to work together with them to realize much of the untapped potential within Yangara Pastoral. We look forward to the next few years too, not just in terms of dividend payment, but also for the company to be able to reinvest into the company itself, to be able to improve the quality of the assets that they have, to improve the herd numbers, and also perhaps to bring in a lot more products within the huge pastoral area that they do have. So thank you once again for this, and we appreciate it, and we look forward to working together with you.
Absolutely. Honorable Attorney General and Minister of Economy, Civil Service and Communications, Mr. Ayasat Keum, fellow board member, Mr. Lume, CEO, Adrian Ram, Secretary, Mr. Tully, members of Public Enterprises, media, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and a good morning to you all. For those of you who don't know, Yangara Pastoral Company was established in 1973 and has been doing, its business focused around livestock and portion of crop scenes. Currently, it has about 6,000 herds of cattle, together with sheep and horses, and runs a very successful operation. And I'm very happy that we are able to contribute today through a dividend payout to the government. When we talk about Yangara Pastoral Company Limited, there is definitely untapped potential in marketing, production and marketing of premium beef in Fiji. When we look at the import bill, it stands at about $18 million of imported beef that comes into the country. Local production stands at about 7, so you can see that there is untapped potential in that area. We can actually drive import substitution as a first milestone, and after that we can definitely tap into the Pacific region to market Yangara beef, which is quite premium in nature. So our expansion strategy, is already in progress, and through that, we anticipate, Honourable Minister, that the payment, the positive payment, dividend payout, will continue to come, and we will continue to make our contribution to the government and to the country as a whole. I would like to take this opportunity to thank once again the management and the board for their tireless efforts into making Yangara Pastoral Company Limited what it is today, and to take it to the next level, and more importantly, support from the government in its activities that it has carried out to date and in future as well. So thank you very much, Minister.
Thank you.